Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up an Amazon bounty program account. Okay, so this video will show you step by step how you can create an account just like this. Okay, this is one of my accounts. Okay, so actually I created this account on 29 and I started earning from the 29. Okay, so I'll be telling you guys what this bounty program is all about. Okay, so Amazon bounty program is about you promoting some kind of offer and services. Okay, yeah, the user don't need to buy anything. Okay, they just have to sign up for the program. Okay, so just like an app is CPA related. Okay, so this is my account here. Okay, so if I refresh for you to see that this is actually real. Okay, so wait for it to reload. Okay, to see that this is actually real. I'm making money with this stuff. Okay, so this was my earning for yesterday, I think. Okay, yes, so if I filter it to August 29 till today, okay, you see that it's the same earning. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to set up an account like this. Okay, step by step. Okay, so if you make mistake in registration, you might not be able to earn or get your payment. Okay, so welcome to my channel, Online Money Also. I post content on how to make money online. Okay, you can check my videos if this is your first time on my channel. Okay, I have a lot of videos, so please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate if you can hit that red subscribe button. Please just subscribe. Appreciate me by subscribing. Okay, and turn the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop any video on this channel. Okay, so I'm planning on creating a Telegram group or WhatsApp group whereby I'll be sharing a new update, and whenever I upload a video I can share it to you guys here. So if you're interested in joining the Telegram group, okay, or WhatsApp group, just comment down below, yes, I am interested. Okay, so I can talk about it in my next video. So for you to create an account like this, okay, let me move to my other browser here. Okay, so come over to I'm just type on Amazon affiliates. Okay, Amazon affiliates. It's very simple. Amazon affiliates, search for it, then the first result you see, tap on it. Okay, you need to just create with your real country, with your real identity. You don't need to do anything special. Okay, then you tap on sign up. Okay, so you have to have an Amazon account to join their affiliate. Okay, the bounty program. So if you don't have an Amazon account, just click on create a new Amazon account. Okay, so my first name, let me just an example. Okay, so Online Money Also, let me put Online, okay, Money Also. Okay, this is just a dummy account to show you how we can do this. And for the email address, so let me just copy this email address here. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, come back to registration here, and the email section, you put it there. Then the password, 6 characters. Okay, let me just copy and paste the email as the password there. Okay, then tap on create account. So authentication, solve this puzzle to protect your account. Okay, to prove you are human. Okay, so let's see, solve puzzle. Okay, pick a shadow that matches the icon on top of the image. Okay, not even really seeing anything. I didn't see anything. Okay, let's do this. Solve puzzle. I'm actually not seeing anything. I don't understand this. Oh, I'm actually not understanding this. Okay, so let me just pause the video and come back. Okay, so sorry for this. Okay, so I'm filling the pause. Okay, so they sent an OTP code to the email. Okay, so this is the OTP code here, 053039 053039. Okay, 053039. Okay, tap on verify. Okay, so I have to enter mobile number. Okay, so enter your mobile number. Okay, so I'll enter a random mobile number because I don't want anyone to be calling me. Okay, so enter a random mobile number. Okay, then tap on add number. Oh, okay, they'll be sending an OTP, so let me enter a real phone number here. Okay, so a minute, let me check for this phone number. Okay, 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 okay. So I have to change this to Nigeria. Okay, so that's my country, and I click add number. Okay, so I've sent an OTP to my phone here. Okay, so I've received it 606076. Please don't create multiple accounts. Okay, I'm not doing it purposely for just to show you how to set up your own account. Okay, so if you enter the OTP code, just have to wait for it to create your Amazon account. Okay, so now when you're done creating your Amazon account, to proceed to create an associate account. That's just like the affiliate account. So here you have 4 different sections: the account information, the website and app list, your profile, then start using the account. Okay, so for the payee name, okay, enter the exact name as should appear on your check. Okay, that means write the name on your account, okay, the bank, so that will be your full name. Okay, actually, okay, but this is a dummy account. Okay, let me just enter online money also. Okay, so for your address, enter your main address. Okay, so let me just enter a random address. Okay, for Destiny Street. Okay, sorry, the city. All right. Okay, I can enter. Okay, I have to change the country first. Okay, for it to show the states, my country. So tap on Nigeria here. Okay, states, Lagos. Okay, postal code. Just enter your. Make sure you enter the right details because it's a dummy account. I'm just entering random details. Okay, so your phone number. We have done this before, so we have to enter the same phone number again. Okay, select your country code. Mine is +234. Okay, okay, so it's not more. You can enter the same phone number you entered that previous time, but okay, so just enter your previous phone number and click on next. Okay, so for the website and app listing, okay, this is where you input the website you want to use to promote the bounty program. You can use a Facebook page, a Facebook group, a website, a YouTube channel. Okay, so anyone, so you can just input the website here. So for me, I'll be using my YouTube channel. Okay, so let me just enter my YouTube channel link here. Okay, so that's youtube.com/online money also YT. Okay, so that's my YouTube channel link. So I've added it. Okay, so you can add multiple websites. Okay, so just click on next when done. No, it's not listed for any under it, for under 13. Okay, so you click on next. So to proceed for it to create a profile, so your preferred store ID, just a nickname you want for them to give your store name. Okay, so just put online MH. Okay, so this is my website here. Okay, so what are your website or app about? Okay, you can just put this is my. Okay, so if it's a website, talk about what your website is about. If it's a group, you talk about what the group is about. But this is a YouTube channel. Okay, so my YouTube channel is about making money online. Okay, and website reviews. You can just add, okay, website review. Okay, and many more you can add and just talk about it. Okay, so what's the primary topic of your website? Okay, so mine will be, I'll look for, let me see if I can say anything like finance. I'm not sure if I can see that. Okay, not really. You just cannot choose education any. Okay, so let me just go with order. Okay, so what type of item are you intending to promote? Okay, so you cannot select. Okay, so I'll go with digital downloads. Okay, Kindle. Okay, books. You cannot select on any. Okay, so that's just formalities. Okay, so your traffic. Okay, you can use paid search, display advertisement, social network. So if you are using a website, you have to input SEO and blogs. If you are using a YouTube channel, you can use social networks, okay, paid display advertisement, okay. So how do you utilize a website to generate income, okay? So which other how are you monetizing your site? Okay, so if you are using YouTube channel that's already monetized, just tap on Google AdSense here. But if you don't have, you just write Amazon Associates is only the way I monetize my site. If you are using those Facebook pages, okay, and website. How do you usually build your link? Okay, so if you are using a website, you cannot tap on this blogger editor here. But if you don't, okay, just put on order. Okay, so how many total visitors do you receive on your website? So like hour per day, so per month. Okay, so you can put this, okay, 500 to 1000, 5000. Okay, so what's the primary to monetize? Okay, and what do you about us? You can write online search, word of mouth, anyone. Okay, so that's just formality. Then you have to enter the captcha you are seeing over here. Okay, so then you have to agree, then tap on finish. Okay, I think I mixed this here. Okay, so what type are your websites? Okay, I think it's a niche website because it's basically a niche. Okay, it's focused on a niche. Okay, then click on finish, then you are done. So you can add your payment and tax info. It's very easy. Enter your payment method, enter your tax info. You can just, I can skip that for now. Okay, so it's very easy for you to enter your info. Okay, so click get started. Okay, so basically this is the dashboard I showed you earlier, but this is a fresh account here. Okay, and you can see, you notice before you can pay, you have to input your tax information. Any update after on the 15th will be in effect. Okay, so now to locate the bounty program for you to promote, okay, come over to promotion. Here you see Amazon bounty program, tap on it. Okay, so this is the main motive of the video. Okay, so when you tap on the bounty program, okay, you see welcome to bounty program, and you see a lot of programs. Okay, so let me tap on see all bounties. Okay, so basically you might not really see how much you'll be earning, okay, from the different bounty programs. Okay, you might not really see what you're earning. Okay, so I think you give it time for it to load. It's meant to show something over here. Okay, so you might not really see. Okay, yeah, it's loading. So this is give the gift of Amazon Prime. Okay, yeah, promoting Amazon Prime. Okay, so you earn a fixed commission, a bounty for every gift of Prime, of every gift of Amazon Prime, 3 months to 12 months membership. So yeah, if you promote Amazon Prime, you earn a specific amount when someone register, okay, for Amazon Prime because it's a paid subscription. Okay, here also you earn $3 for every 30 days free trial. Okay, so if you promote this offer now, enter someone register for Amazon Prime 3 days free trial, you earn $3. Okay, so and this when they started the bounty, okay, February 19 to end on the 31st of December. Okay, and here is try Audible Plus. Okay, but some of these offers, the users you are directing here have to buy something. I say buy, have to add a credit card for all this trial. Okay, so for try Audible Plus, earn 5 bounty for each qualifying Audible Plus free trial. Okay, for free trial you earn $5, but if the person later turn to a member, you earn additional $10. Okay, you earn $10. Okay, earn $50 when someone creates an Amazon business account. Okay, so it just depends on how you want to promote it. Okay, some have been on for years. Okay, if you can see, some have been on for years. Some, okay, this is the wedding registry, earn $3 when someone register a registry. Okay, so there are many that I can just pick on. Okay, so if you want a full tutorial on how to promote something like this, okay, because I actually create a WhatsApp group, okay, where I show people how I was able to make this kind of money without me really doing anything much, okay. So I just earn this money. You can see the commission, okay. So I selected some kind of bounty program. I actually promoted it, okay. So I made this money from bounties, okay. So if you want a tutorial about it, just comment down below so I can talk about it in the next video, okay. So please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video, okay. So thanks for watching. Do have a nice day.